Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you are all good. Welcome back to my channel Fashion Awareness. In today's video, I am going to share with you some stylish clipping older women outfit ideas. My channel is for encourage women's how do they styles. Fashion is not only young people, older women can also look stylish, elegant, and confident at any age. Fashion is for older women. It's about choosing clothes that are comfortable, look style, and suitable for their lifestyle. It is also about expressing personality and feel beautiful. Older woman fashion representing elegance, wisdom, and self confidence. As women grow old, their sense of styles become more refined and meaningful. Fashion is no longer about following every new trend, but about choosing clothes that reflect personality, comfort, and grace. Guys, older women understand what suits their body, lifestyle, and values, which make their fashion choices more powerful and inspiring. Clothing of older women often focus on comfortable without compromising style, soft fabric, well lifted outfit, and breathable material play an important role. Classic dresses, tailored trousers, long skirts, and elegant tops are popular choices. Neutral colors such as beige, navy, black, pastel shades create a timeless look, while suitable patterns add charms and freshness. Layering is also an important fashion technique as it proved both style and particularity. Accessories help complete the overall appearance. Simple jewelry, scarves, stylish handbags, and comfortable footwear enhance an outfit beautifully. Older women prefer quality over quantity, choosing pieces that last long and look sophisticated. Guys, fashion at this age of life is about confident, not hiding age but celebrating it. Modern fashion has become more inclusive, offering designs that respect the need of older women while keeping them fashionable. Designers are now creating outfits that support movement, confidence, comfort, and elegance together. Older women today proudly experiment with color, texture, and styles, proving that fashion has no age limits. Older women clothing fashion is perfect balance of comfort, elegance, self-expression. It reflects life expression, inner strength, and timeless beauty. True fashion is not about age, it is about feeling confident, comfortable, and happy in what you wear at every stage of life. Older women often wear soft and neutral shades like cream, pink, grey, navy, blue, beige, and pastel. They choose color clothes that are easy to wear and soft on the skin. Fabric like cotton, skin, silk, wool, very popular. This material give a graceful look and also keep the body comfortable. in every season. Older women also have their own unique style in many countries. This fashion is simple but look classy. It shows maturity, beauty, and self-respect. So guys, I hope you enjoy this informative video. So guys, I hope you enjoy this informative video, and please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please share my video to your family and friends. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.